Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change page border color in Google Docs. Firstly, I will add page border using shape tools. Click on this insert option and select a drawing option and select new option and click on this shape icon. I will draw rectangle icon and rectangle fill color is transparent. Also you can change here border color. I'll choose this pink color and border white. Choose 3 and simply select save and close. Now click here and select a behind text or in front text. Also choose in front text. Also click here. So fix position on page. I will increase manually border size. And see this page border already inserted. Also increase. You can move your page border. Click by here. White. Also you can hide. Also you can move position here. And hide position. Yeah, this is. In this way you can change your border position. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.